Hey guys, have you seen those Polaroid style photos with idols that are blowing up all over social media? They look super aesthetic, and guess what? Making one is way easier than you think. So let me walk you through it step by step. First, head over to my website, the link is down in the description, and grab the special prompt I've already prepared for you. Now, at the very end of that prompt, you'll see an example that says something like guy hugging woman. This is where the fun begins. You can switch it up to any style you want. Romantic, casual, creative, you name it. I've got more style ideas listed on my site too, so you'll never run out of inspiration. Once you've chosen your style, just copy the prompt. Next, open up Google Gemini and select the feature called Nano Banana. Then, upload your photo along with your idol's photo. Paste in the prompt you just copied. Hit send and wait a few seconds. That's it. The result pops up right away. And of course, you can just download it straight into your gallery. Now, let's take it up a notch. I'll try the same process, but with a totally different style. And boom! Just look at that. It came out exactly how I wanted it. How cool is that? So if you've been wondering how everyone's making these viral Polaroid idol photos, now you know the secret. Super quick, super easy, and honestly, super addictive. Go give it a try and let me know which style you picked. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more fun tutorials. See you in the next one.